If you are looking for a beginner friendly tool to sell your own digital products, then this video is the right fit for you. Hi, I'm Tejal Chopra and I've been helping people create and sell their own digital products for the last 3 years. And the tool that I'm going to share with you today is the tool I recommend to all my students, especially if they're beginners or starting from absolute scratch. The tool is known as Super Profile. And in this video, I will be sharing with you, number one, why you should be using this tool, why it works like a charm. And secondly, I'm going to show you the step by step of how to set up a new account on Super Profile. Now, before I delve deeper into the why and the how, first of all, I want you to know that this video is not in any way sponsored by Super Profile. It's just that I found this tool super useful, and that's the reason I recommend it to all my students. So let's get started. Number one reason of using this tool is that it's absolutely beginner friendly and a one-stop shop, meaning that even if you're starting from scratch and you don't want to figure out the tech of funnel building tools, email marketing tools, lead gen tools, payment platforms exclusively separate, and then integrating all of that together, this is a tool that comes in handy. It also gives you everything in the cost of one, and actually lesser, way lesser than the cost of even one of the tools available internationally and outside this one as well. But other than that, it's super beginner friendly. It doesn't need you to know a lot of tech beforehand. It doesn't need you to code anything or to learn to design sales pages and landing pages, even using funnel building software. Yes, drag and drop softwares are out there, but they still have like a learning curve and you need to get the hang of it, and sometimes even spend months there. This tool takes that out of the park. That is, you absolutely just need to open up a template, make certain changes, and basically enter whatever it is you want to enter about your product. So design wise, using use case wise, is absolutely intuitive and super beginner friendly, and it gives you all the features that are needed for you to create and sell your first and even the next 5-7 digital products with ease. Now, coming to the second part, it's also one stop shop. So like I said, you don't need 5 separate tools. You can just use this one tool, learn whatever is needed about it. It's not complex, and at the same time save a ton of money. The second thing which absolutely I love about Super Profile, and the reason I recommend, is the payment solutions that it offers. It allows you to charge in Indian currency, which a lot of tools out there like Stan Store or Gumroad don't allow you to do. So when we are selling to an Indian audience and we have a dollar price there, it doesn't connect well with them. Even if you've done the direct conversion, let's say $7 becomes into 93, I suppose is the rate today, but 630, 640 rupees, it still needs a conversion. So when you're selling to an Indian buyer, which most of you right here are, it's best to use a payment system which shows them the price in INR, and the price you've created or set up is optimized for the Indian customer, which this tool allows you to do. And even if you want to sell your product internationally as well, other than in India, there is a parity payment advanced setting option which allows you to do that. Again, not to overwhelm you, but if you want to eventually sell outside as well, it has the features enabled for that. It's taken care of. Number three is, if you want to sell digital products and courses, which is the premise of this video, I want you to help sell your products and courses better. This is the tool that is built for that. That is not just it won't just give you digital downloads as in digital products, but it also allows you to host courses here without again connecting to another platform and paying for that. You can do both of those things right here. And if you're also someone who wants to offer paid consults and wants to offer freebies, lead magnets, or have a store like the Stan Store, all of those features are baked into Super Profile as well. So even if you want to sell paid sessions, paid consult sessions, or anything like that, having a calendar, getting payments automatically, and all of that setup, Super Profile even takes care of that. So it gives you a host of options for you to monetize and actually sell. And another feature of it that I absolutely love is auto DMs, which is equivalent to automation tools that are out there. It has a feature in itself, built in itself, without having you to pay extra for it. To set up and run these automations that work seamlessly well with Instagram and Facebook and other social media applications. There are other automation tools out there like ManyChat and a host of others. Super Profile actually has a direct API integration with Meta and can be used extensively well for running all kind of automations right here. Again, one app doing everything for you. Now, even though today's video is about setting up an account, if you want to know more about how to set up digital products, how to upload, how to change paid settings, pricing settings, all of that stuff for digital products courses, or even how to set up and use auto DMs, how to create flows, and all of that good stuff, I have recorded separate detailed videos for it, which are linked in this playlist. So you can go and check it out later. Now, without further ado, I'm going to jump into sharing my screen, showing you how to set up a new account from scratch and also which plan you should select. So if you're setting up a new account, you can go ahead and use this link. I have added this in the description below. It's my referral link, which will give you the best deal, that is the least possible transaction cost out there. I worked with Team Superprofile and got them to help me with a special offer for my students exclusively, wherein they have to pay lesser than what others do if they are using this link. So I just wanted to go ahead and share it out there with you as well. You can use this link if you have not set up Superprofile. Now, before I walk you through the steps, this is the pricing plan of Superprofile out there. While it has a free plan in which you get the store, unlimited auto DMs on Reels and posts, and you can actually collect leads using lead magnets, it has its own limitations. So what I recommend my students choose is this one, which is the creator plan, which is one of the most affordable platform plans out there ever, because it gets started with 99 per month, and then every other month you just have to pay 499 to keep the subscription going. The reason I recommend it is twofold. Number one is because of the features that it has. You actually need those features. That is, eventually you would need features like advanced auto DM flows, but even if you don't need that, like let's say for the first 1 or 2 months, you still need this feature, which is to set up digital products, courses, bookings, events, basically get paid. And the way that I help my students, I want them to get paid faster. That is the second reason. So basically, I want you to pay this menial fee, 99 fee, and actually have that light a fire under you in a way that in this first month wherein you are just paying rupees 99, I recommend my students actually go ahead, create and launch their first product and get their first sale, which anyways varies from 499 to 2999 based on the cost of their product. But the idea is that they make their first sale, which then fuels the cost for the next month. So basically, all you need to do is sign up at this amount once for Superprofile, and then have that fire under your chair actually drive you to go ahead, create your product, such that the next month onwards your product pays for the tool. The sales that you make with your product pay for the tool pays for itself. And once you just get that first sale, there's no looking back, because if you are doing things right and creating content and selling products on repeat, this cost won't even matter in your overall expense dynamics. So this is what I recommend you get started with. So once you're here, that is once you use my link, you'll have to enter your details. And then just input the OTP that they give you. Once I'm done with that, it will just ask me a few basic questions to set it up. So I'm going to answer for my niche, you answer for yours. I'm going to be coaching. Now basically choose what my main goal is. So grow my followers audience, sell digital products or services. I'm going to go with sell. Next. So now they're asking me to subscribe to this plan in case I want to create and sell my digital products, which is what I recommend you go ahead with. So you can just start here, make payment and get started. I am not going to do this here because I do have Superprofile on another email ID. So I'm just going to skip for now. This also is something I want to skip for now. I want to sell simple digital products, will be covered in a separate video for you. But basically, I want you to show you what all other things you need to do when setting up an account. It's pretty simple and super short actually. But the first thing you should actually be doing, like before you get started with any of it, is set up your account for it, which includes some account settings, doing your KYC, getting set up to be paid, which is connecting your payments, your bank, and other important things. So when you come to your profile, you can actually optimize all of that, add your image, add your full name, headline, bio, whatever you want to share it with. So if you have an Instagram bio, you can copy and paste that right here. You can also add your social media links. You can add Instagram or other social media links right here. Then for support, in case you want to use a separate email ID for support such that your students or people who purchase from you can actually email you on that ID or call you in another number, then in that case you need to set up your support email ID and support phone number. You can also give support just via email address or just via phone number. If you want to do it via both, you can enter both and just go from here. Since you have already gone in for the creator plan, this will be set up for you. You don't need to make any changes. In case you start with the free plan, then you can upgrade to creator later here as well. I would go to payments and I will set all of this up. So now these are the important things for you to set up, and all it takes is just 5 minutes. You need to do your KYC first. You can just click here and set this up. Since I have done this already on another account, I'm not doing it. You just need these three things, that is your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, and your bank account details. That could be a bank statement, a passbook, or a cancelled check. I usually have a cancelled check, so you can see whatever you have. You can just click on let's go here and do like a simple 5-minute KYC process. After you're done with it, usually they approve pretty fast. Sometimes sometimes it can take up to 48 hours, but usually it's done really fast. Once you've set this up, here they will ask you for some more details like your bank account in which you would like to receive payments. Now here is one of the best features of Super Profile. You don't need to do a lot of business documentation submission, as well as other technical formalities for you to receive payments here, because Super Profile here is receiving payments from your customer for you and giving them your product, and then they collect and actually give you all the money by just deducting their transaction cost. So since this is seamless, it doesn't need for you to do a lot of other technical formalities, business documents, and all of the other stuff which is not needed. You just need to enter your bank account details where you'd like to get your settlements once you start getting paid on Super Profile. It's as simple as that. If you have GST enabled for your business, you can enter your GSTN here and you can proceed. So this is actually pretty simple to set up, nothing complicated. Just doing KYC is important. Integrations initially in the beginning you don't need. Eventually if you do, based on where you're at, in case you're using other email providers like ConvertKit, or you're using integration platforms like Zapier to connect to something else, you can connect it. Right now not needed, so you can move ahead. Again, move ahead. This auto setting is good enough for it. So basically your account is now set up. After you've done with your KYC and it gets approved, it's set up for you to receive payments in the simplest possible way by creating and selling your own products. I'll just walk you through what all else is out there. You have a store where you can set up a store like Stan Store and have this link in your bio. Again, not something I recommend. So I always go in for creating your products, having separate product links, page links, and everything right there. But there's no harm to look. There is this feature available. In case you want to use it, you can. Then there are payments. Here is where you can actually get started with your creating your digital products and selling them. And actually, when you start getting sales, this is the dashboard where you'll see what are the total sales you've made, what is the churn rate, how many people's payment successful, payment failed, all of those things, all of the data you get here. So here is another app which is super important as a part of Super Profile, which is Auto DMs, which, like I said, I have a separate detailed video on, which you can go and watch. There are other apps out there as well. Based on what you need, you can select. It's just that for monetization, they will give you access to payment pages, bookings, all of that once you set up the creator plan. So in the free plan, you can get started and have a look at everything. Once you're ready to sell your own products, which is something I recommend you absolutely do, you go in for the 99 rupee plan for the first month, create and set up your product, launch it, get your first sale, and upwards from there. So this is what I wanted to show you in today's video, that is why and how to set up your own Super Profile account. If you're interested and actually excited in creating your own account, go use the link in the description below. Create your account, set it up in the way that I showed you, do your KYC and get ready. You are on your way to create your first digital product and set it up on Super Profile next. By the way, if you have any questions about this tool that I talked about today, that is Super Profile, or if you have any questions about any other tool that you're considering, tell me in the comments below. I would love to answer your questions. I'll see you in the next video.